Welcome to Bunky's Kitchen. In today's video, we'll be making smoked Mexican style spare ribs. The main ingredient we'll be using is Sazon Goyo. It's pretty easy to find. Most grocery stores have it in the international aisle. This is my first time making this recipe, so it was basically a test. I only used a couple of packs on this rack, but next time I'll be using all 8 packs that come in a box. The flavor in these were pretty good, but it could have been a lot better. When you put your rub on, make sure you cover the whole rack really good and don't forget the sides. For the injection, I used 3 packs of Sazon and 2 cups of beef stock. Next time I make this, I'll be using a whole box of Sazon for the rub and 1 whole box for the injection, which is 8 packs each. So anyhow, it was about midnight when I was filming this, so I put the rub on the ribs first before I injected it. That's completely backwards. Usually I'll inject whatever I'm cooking and then put the rub on later. Of course, you can do yours any way you prefer because it's your rack of ribs. When I was done with mine, I finished it up with a little bit of black pepper and garlic powder. So I'll be using Bear Mountain Gourmet Blend pellets and hickory wood chips in my smoke tube for a little extra smoke flavor today. Something I never understood about using a smoke tube is everyone puts more pellets in them instead of real wood chips. If you have a pellet smoker and want some real wood flavor, use real wood chips. It makes a real big difference. Alright, put them bad boys on at 275 for 2 hours. After 2 hours was up, I wrapped them up in tin foil. I didn't have any heavy duty foil, so I just doubled it up. If you want to add a little extra flavor, now's a good time to do that. I didn't add anything else to these this time. I just want to see how it would turn out like it was. Once you get them wrapped up, throw them back on the smoker for 2 hours just to finish them off. You can go a little bit longer if you want to fall off the bone ribs. I didn't do that with this one. Now for the best part. There's some good looking ribs. It's easier to cut them meat side down so you can see where the bones are. I'll show you a couple of close-ups in just a minute. Thank you for watching. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up for more.